Bonjour tout le monde. Bienvenue. In today's class, we are going to do mettez en féminin. Make into feminine. We have seen definite articles, indefinite articles, conjugation of verbs, pronoun sujet, and feminine of adjectives. How do we make feminine of the adjectives? We will put together all these and see how do we do make into feminine of the sentences. Okay, we put all the rules that we have studied so far and see how we make sentences. If the masculine form of sentences are there, how do we make them into feminine? Okay, I hope everybody is clear what is feminine of the sentences. One of the foremost thing, just to make it short for you and easier for you, I've written certain things that have to be changed in feminine form. Le changes to la, that is definite article. Le, it can be L apostrophe also, but we have to see if L apostrophe changes to la or L apostrophe remains L apostrophe. For example, l'homme takes L apostrophe, but in the feminine, its homme's feminine is femme, so it takes la. So it depends. Okay, actor, actress both take L apostrophe. So we will see which one when we have to put la, L apostrophe or la. Changes to un, il, he changes to she, il in the plural form changes to l in the plural form. This is demonstrative adjective. Sir, said, these are masculine forms, changes to said in the feminine form. If you have studied, fine. If not, just keep this in mind. I hope everybody clear about this. It will make it easier for you. And one more thing, in the feminine form, we don't change the verb. We will write the verb as it is. In all the sentences, wherever the verb is there, we will keep it as it is, because he is French, she is French, she speaks English, or he speaks English, she speaks English, he eats ice cream, she eats ice cream. So everywhere the verbs remain same. Okay, in English the verb remains same. So is the case with the in French also the verb remains same. So we will not change the verb. Now let's see. Over here we have il est grand. Il changes to L. So we'll write L. A remains same. I told you verb remains same. This is a verb. Être conjugation is means is grand. Now this is the masculine form of adjective grand. To make it feminine, we have studied that in general case we put E. So we put E. Il est grand becomes elle est grande. Now over here for le we write la, since over here you can see garçon is boy. So feminine form of garçon is fille. est remains same, a, and beau. This is the masculine adjective for the boys. So for the feminine form we have belle. We will write belle. Third, il changes to L. Sont, again être conjugation in the plural form, it remains same. Now français, we write as it is first. Okay, now what we have to make, this is the plural form. First we have to make it feminine, we put E, and then we may have to make it plural, we write S. So it's français. Okay, ils sont français, elles sont françaises. Okay, just remember it. Now mon père est intelligent. Mon is adjective possessive. Mon changes to ma in the feminine form. Père, father. For father in the feminine form we have mère. Okay, père, mère. est remains same, and intelligent takes an E and become intelligente. Ma mère est intelligente. Okay. This is the case where we change the subject. Here, wherever we have subject, we change the subject into feminine form. Where we have adjective, possessive or definite article, we changed it. In some cases, we change the noun. Adjective, we change the adjective. In here it is totally changed. Here we put an E. Over here we ES. Okay, just remember this. Now there are certain cases where half of the sentence changes to the feminine case. Here you can see la is there, so we change it to la. Musicien becomes musicien. It takes double N. Now jouer means to play. It's a verb, so we'll write the verb as it is. And du piano, the musician plays the piano, so the musician plays the piano. Same remains. It also remains same. We will not change the piano into feminine form. Okay, so what we are changing actually only this part. Le musicien is changed to la musicienne. We are not changing jouer du piano. It remains as it is. So there might be some sentences where half of the sentence remains as it is. Only a certain noun, adjective or an article gets changed. I hope everybody is clear how we change feminine of these sentences. Okay, so everybody remember it. How do we make feminine of these sentences? Try to do the questions that will be sent with this video. Okay, do it in your rough copies, all the questions of the worksheet. I hope everybody is clear about it. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Merci.